morning guys, and welcome back to my African garden. If you are new here, you're very welcome. My name is Patience and I am back at my African garden. I just want to say a big thank you to all of you who reached out to me after I posted the last video. It was so encouraging. Thank you so much for all those who offered to send me some waterleaf seedlings or stems. I'm so grateful. Thank you. What a family we are building here. I'm so grateful. Thank you. And of course, the God my provider came through and I have a lot of waterleaf now to plant. Alright guys, so that is what we are going to be doing this morning. I've come to plant the waterleaf. I started it last night. Yes, I said last night because I came here at about 8:30. That was pretty late, but since it was not very dark, or it was not yet dark, I was able to plant a lot of the waterleaf. So right now I'm going to continue planting, but let me first of all show you what I have. All right, so this is what I have. It was full in this tray. I have a lot of seedlings from one of my neighbors, and then this one too, one other neighbor. Okay, and I also have some waterleaf coming from Texas, so I'm so grateful for those of you who offered to help. And a couple of people offered to help. Somebody from, I think, where is that, Georgia, also offered to send me some stems or seedlings, but I'm having seedlings coming from Texas as well. And I've already planted about 4 beds. Let me show you. This is what I planted last night. Okay, and then I have 4 other beds to plant. So again, thank you guys. Thank you for being nice to me, for helping, for offering to help. I'm so grateful. All right, so I'm going to continue planting this morning and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Keep watching. Finally, we are done. So we are finally done planting our waterleaf, and all the beds are filled with waterleaf. Again, thank you so much guys. I really appreciate you all helping. I finally have waterleaf in my garden this year. You know, the Bible says that we should ask and it shall be given to us, right? So I asked and it was given to me. Thank you so very much. All right, so that is it for today's video. We just finished watering and we'll be out of here because the sun is getting too hot. It's time to go. Again, I appreciate you all. Hope you were inspired. Hope this helped you or inspired you to grow your own plants. That is what I'm doing. I'm encouraging you to grow your own plants, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.